Hello, meet Nisha. Nisha is trying her best to understand and learn the topics on her own in these harsh times of COVID-19. But she is coming across a lot of doubts in several topics. And on searching, she found something that'll resolve all her doubts. Yes, DiO Tutorial Point. It's a team of well-experienced faculty members who are experts in subjects science, mathematics and social studies for both classes 9th and 10th. Good news is DiO is serving online now. So now Nisha's doubts are a thing of past and she's enjoying studying online way better. Where? Of course at her home. You can also register yourself with DiO Online and experience the new way of learning. Don't wait no more. Come join DiO Tutorial Point, and for immediate registration, contact our helpline number. Stay home, stay safe.